Hello everybody, it's Gayla Wick, Denver Love Coach here, and I want to say happy holidays first of all, and to give you an update on my Mouse King Nutcracker project. I got a little bit behind. I'm sure some of you can identify with that. I don't know about you, but this year it seems like I can't get caught up for the holidays, but it probably has to do something to do with me and my various projects. So I got a little bit behind on my Nutcracker project. One of the reasons is these guys. These are my little gnomes. They are made from wine corks. See, there's a little wine cork in here. And I make these every year. I make something different every year out of wine corks. So I send them to my family. Mainly they're for family. And they take a lot of work. And this year I got white fur all over everything. So I don't know. I'm going to think of something else next year that doesn't involve fur. But I did make some progress on my Nutcracker. So here he is. He's got some red on. Yeah, there was just a little bit of swearing involved with this because it's easy. It's really easy to make a mistake and get paint on places you didn't mean to. Even if you're like me and on your projects, you use some painter's tape and various other techniques. Anyway, I would say I learned a lot. And if I'm brave enough to do another one, I don't know about that. If I'm brave enough to do another one, I'm probably going to use some different techniques to make my life just a little bit easier. But anyway, he's got some red clothes on, and I got a little bit done on his base there. Back up so you can see it. So I'm going to be doing some black on his boots, and his uniform's going to have some black on it. And I'm going to probably give him some eyes. I don't know, he looks like he needs some eyes or something, doesn't he? But anyway, for your love relationship tip today, I want to just talk to you about the fact that sometimes things take longer than you'd like, aka my project. But if you don't have love and you really wanted it and you feel like you did a lot of things in the last year to get yourself where you wanted to go and you're still not there, I hope you give yourself a little break because, again, sometimes it seems like everything takes longer than you think it's going to. So let's just look forward to the new year. And also remember a few things. Just remember nobody's perfect. You're going to find the perfect partner for you. But that person is going to have their own flaws. We all have our own flaws. I want you to just give yourself a break for everything that, did or did not happen in 2021. And the most important thing I want to suggest that you do is if you really want that amazing love relationship, I want you to look around you as you go through the next few weeks during the holidays. And I want you to set your reticular activating system, RAS, for happy couples. And when you see them, I want you to have great gratitude in your heart for the fact that love is here. And if they have love, I want you to know that you can have love too. So I want you to look at them and feel like that's for me. I actually have great love in my life. And then I want you to feel the feelings of love and gratitude for all of the love that you in fact do have in your life. When you appreciate and have gratitude for what you do have, things come into your life that your heart desires. And that's really one of the secrets of the law of attraction. I know a lot of people say, well, I don't really think the law of attraction works. Well, you know what? You can prove it to yourself that it does. But the law of attraction's main secret is emotion. Yes, emotion. You can't think yourself hard enough into what you want. You certainly can't worry about the fact that it's not currently in your physical presence, that it's not a physical manifestation yet. I want you to believe that you have it. I want you to feel how it will feel when the love of your life adores you, loves you, cooks dinner with you, goes out with you, does whatever it is that you imagine that this person does with you. I want you to make room in your home. I want you to make room in your heart, in your mind, for this amazing love relationship. So that's enough for me for today. Happy holidays. I hope next week when you see the Mouse King, he's finished. So I'm going to do a lot of work to make sure that he is, because the gnome project, the wine cork gnome project, is done. All of the packages have been sent. Yes, all of the packages have been sent, and I'm still cleaning up some of the white fur that's everywhere because of this project. But anyway, it's fun for me. It's something to do with wine corks. No judgment about why I have all those wine corks, okay? So happy holidays, everyone. Wishing you all the love in the world. And until next time, remember, Gayla Wick, Denver Love Coach. Don't forget to get a copy of that book for yourself or a friend if you want to start the new year off in a much better place. The Art of Attracting Authentic Love on Amazon. Read my blog. It'll tell you how to get an hour of free coaching. Sending you love,